Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer TikTok ads account ownership for campaign continuity detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer ownership of a TikTok ads account, start by logging into your TikTok ads manager. Ensure you have administrative access to the account you want to transfer. Navigate to the account settings section in the ads manager dashboard. Locate the account management option. Select transfer account ownership from the available. Enter the email address of the new account owner in the provided field. Confirm the email address to ensure accuracy. Review the terms and conditions related to account ownership transfer. Click on the Send Transfer Request button to initiate the process. The new owner will receive an email notification regarding the transfer. Instruct the new owner to check their email and find the transfer request. They should follow the link in the email to accept the transfer. Once accepted, both users will receive a confirmation notification. After the transfer is successful, the new owner will have full control of the account. Remind the original owner to remove themselves from the account if desired. Ensure that all campaign settings and creative assets are reviewed after the transfer. This step ensures a seamless transition and continuity for ongoing campaigns. Double-check that all previous campaigns are still accessible by the new owner. Provide support to the new owner if they encounter any issues accessing the account. After the transfer is complete, the new owner can begin managing campaigns immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.